Here's another fun part about living in a rural area, I guess. There's a shooting range right up the road. And they've been popping off all morning, but now that, of course, that I'm filming it, they're not. So we'll just film going into the to this trail. Unfortunately, as with all over the country, oh, there's the shooting. Unfortunately, there's some tweakers around here. At least there's none in my apartment complex, but there are a lot of tweakers in Oregon. And I bought a special raincoat, so when I walk in the woods, I am deathly afraid of tweakers that are hunting. So hopefully they can see me with this coat on. It's very, very bright. And no, I cannot stand tweakers. So, but there was plenty of tweakers in Arizona too. But yeah, I've seen a few of them around here and stuff. So, but well, you got to hear the guns. See you later.